Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this ZIUMIER gaming headset for PC, PS4, PS5, Xbox One and so on and so on. The most important thing for you to know is of course that it's connecting through a 3.5mm plug. It has a USB plug, but this is only used for the light. Regarding the brand, I've already tested a couple of headsets from this company and all of them have been performing really well. So I'm not expecting any different thing from this one here. It looks very fancy, really high tech, looks really good here. Also nice packaging. So let's take it out of the box and see what we get. Here we have the instruction manual in 4 different languages. I think it's not needed to show you everything. I mean, you can connect this headset to any kind of stand, a 3.5mm jack, so you don't have to be worried, and usually not much instruction is needed. We get even this 4-pin to 3-pin adapter cable, so depending on what you have, like on your PC usually you have 4-pin, on other device you have maybe just 3-pin. Usually the red one is recording, the green one is for playback, but if you're not using the microphone you can also use the 4-pin directly in a 3-pin jack. But you can see it's very flexible, that's important. And here's the headset itself. The cable is very long. I've been measuring this here and it's around 67 inches or 1 meter 70 centimeters. And of course I want to show you the illumination here a little bit in darker light so you can see that the camera is not capable to really capture the nice colors. We have really nice breathing colors. They go through all the different kind of colors, so it's not like one is staying in one color. So I think all the LEDs are going through all the different kind of colors. So maybe you can see when we are going a little bit closer, you can see the shine of the color on my hand or a little bit around. So it's very beautiful, really high-tech design. And by the way, the power consumption of the LED light is super low. So you can see you can even operate that with a power bank or so for many days or even weeks. And the length of the cable where we have attached the USB plug is exactly the same as the 3.5mm plug, so also 67 inches. But of course the USB is not needed, so if you just need the sound and the microphone you don't have to go with the USB, you can just leave it like that and then plug only the 3.5mm plug. Regarding the microphone, it's important to know that you can adjust this thing nicely where you want to have it positioned. Of course it's not a metal gooseneck, it's a little bit more stubborn, but you can nicely put it wherever you want. I've even been able to turn it around, and now I have the opening towards my mouse and I have this nice angle here. Of course it's not switchable, you cannot use it on the other side, so you can't have the microphone on the right side, the microphone will always be on the left side. But we have this nice volume switch here, that's really nice, really convenient. I've been using the headset now for a little bit and I'm pretty happy with it. I would say definitely for the price we cannot complain what we get, and especially quality, audio quality, also the microphone quality. I'm going to play a sample for you, of course. Regarding size and comfort, we can see we have a huge cushion here, very comfortable. Especially I would say it fits great for small, medium and even somehow large. For extra large I wouldn't recommend these headsets. You can see you cannot increase the size, it's just the one size. But the cushion here of course can go up to the full size till this metal. I mean this is solid metal here, that's also really important, really good, so you can expect it to last very long. But you cannot extend the whole thing here, there are some limits. The ear cups have a decent diameter, so as long as you don't have too large ears they could fit into the ear cups inside, which is important, so the pressure is on your head and not on your ears. that worked for me, and I think it will work for most of the people, but they are not very large. The sound quality was really good. I've tested this with ultra deep bass sound, and the 50mm drivers have been delivering a really awesome sound. Yeah, sound definitely amazing, absolutely no problem. Also this volume regulator here has been working really good. I've been using it most of the time on the loudest volume and then regulating with my normal device, of course, but you can do whatever you want. You can also see here, get some light on the microphone, but as far as I've been able to see, there is no mute button here included in this headset. That's something which you have to be aware of, but in general, regarding comfort, I would say it's a good headset. It's really comfortable as long as the size fits. And then regarding microphone quality, I've been doing some tests. I've been recording some sample for you, so I'm going to play and you can listen to that now. ZIUMIER microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. ZIUMIER headset microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. So I hope you have been able to hear that. By the way, I've been using this 4-pin. I haven't been using the switch cable. I've been really impressed by the microphone quality and especially sensitivity for this price. It's amazing. One of the best microphones I've ever seen. It's of course not perfect. It's not the Sennheiser, of course. And when it was totally quiet, I've noticed sometimes a little bit of like a background noise or so. Maybe it was even caused by the noise cancelling which is built into this headset. But what's amazing, I mean, you can see it doesn't have a real pop filter here, and I had it directly in front of my mouse and there was barely any pop effect noticeable. So overall, I would say this is a very nice headset with really good quality, good comfort, good microphone, good speakers, everything really good. And I would say as long as you're good with small, medium and large and don't need extra large, this could be the perfect headset for you. And so I can give you full recommendation on that, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.